For today's trade, all right, let's start with GJ. So first and foremost, like if in 2 days this candle closes bullish, this level would have only been a tested level, which means price on the weekly, daily is going to continue bullish. Geez, that's very, very messy. Why can I even see this? Hold on. All right, so I have this level that is kind of representative of this weekly liquidity that we have right here. So we see this wick, and then from there, price goes bullish. All right, let's go to the daily and see what is happening. So price went bearish, broke back above this level, at least it's looking like a break. It's dipping into that current zone of liquidity. It's gonna, all right, and so we have a little bit of support right here, a little bit of resistance right here. Now the main thing is, what is the current flow? And I believe it's bullish, even though I see we have support created and then broken. I think that was one of those situations where it was just like, it was just making a higher high, you know, and it's a big trade, so you got to kind of look at it on the bigger time frame, you know. But that's just my opinion. I could be wrong. It could be going bearish for all I know. But my current bias is bullish. Look at all that. Look at all that bullish momentum, right? Coming straight up. And then we come right into this little support level, which just helps me make my case. But the main thing I want to look for, so one, my directional bias is bullish. So then two, the next thing I would look for is a break of resistance, right? So it was here that I was looking for. I was definitely asleep, but I saw that we had this little resistance moment, this massive candle. And then when we started getting this bearish candle is when I entered in to the trade, and I put my stop loss just below here because I was like, this is the last higher low that was created. If price is to continue bullish, it shouldn't break below this level, right? So that is my reasoning for that trade. You know, something like this, or honestly, just to match that higher high, to match that high, right? So this is my trade. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, unless support breaks again, but it should be okay. If support breaks again, then, you know, probably gonna go bearish for a little bit, but if it doesn't, then yeah, bias is still very much bullish. For gold, go on the 4-hour. And you see that yesterday we broke back into bearish flow after touching that weekly level, right? So we had our last support here, we had our break. So today it was just like, okay, since the current flow on the 4-hour is bearish, all I need to look for is a break of support. And honestly, once I saw this candle start to dangle like that, and you know, all that juicy momentum, I was like, all right, cool, I'm going in for sells. Who's messaging me? All right, so yeah, that's my bias for today. We had news earlier at 2. Let's see. Oh yeah, so that was this was the moment. She was the moment. So yeah, it's been a cool week so far.